Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Our today's recipe is a Navratri special fast recipe shabudana chilla. So let's start. Take 1 cup of shabudana, soak it for 4 to 5 hours in a water. I have already soaked this shabudana. Take it out in a blender jar and add half cup of water and blend to form a thick paste. Do not blend to form a fine smooth paste. Now take it out in another bowl and add 3 boiled mashed potato. You can adjust the quantity of potato by your choice. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, followed by 1 finely chopped green chilli, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt or a black salt for a fast, and mix all the ingredients well. Now add water to adjust the consistency and mix well. Now our batter is ready. The consistency of the batter should be slightly thick. To make the chilla, heat a griddle on a medium flame. Use the non-stick griddle for this recipe. Spread some oil on a griddle and spread small quantity of batter to make a thick and small size chilla. Cook for 2 minutes on both sides on a medium-low flame. Now you can see it is cooked perfectly and nicely from both the sides, and it is ready to serve. From this batter you can make 5 to 6 chillas. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!